Hello everyone, welcome to Desert Design Tutorials. I know guys, it's been a long time. I haven't posted any video, but here I am and I'll be showing you how to create a gradient logo on Procreate. So let's begin with it. So first of all, what you need a square and the palette I'll be using is this color pink, purple and light pink, and in the layers I'll be dragging this color and add another layer and choose the pink color and drag it. Okay, so now I'll be resizing this pink layer and I'll go to this arrow button and make sure the freeform button is selected. So I'll drag this, and now I'll go to Gaussian blur. Select the layer. Now drag this towards the right. So you can see how this color has been changed to gradient. You can select it accordingly. I have used 95%. Now flatten both the layers. First of all, group them and now flatten them. Now I'll create a new layer and draw a circle. Use your another finger to make a perfect circle. Now I'll fill this color. You can fill it with any color you want. Now I'll drag this layer under this layer. Now I'll select this and select clipping mask. Now you can see the circle that we have drawn has been created with the gradient, and I can change the gradient color also by rotating this like this or by shifting it to another area. See how it's changing the colors beautifully. Now I want this color. So I think this is the perfect one that I wanted. Now I can also put a text in it, and I'll choose the white color and I'll select this, add text in this. You can write dice of design. So I like the logo. It has a pink and a purple gradient shade and the dice of design in the white color. So that's it for today's tutorial. Bye bye guys.